After some time, the bookmarks you once made are probably no longer going to be of interest. Clearing this up can lead to a more efficient browsing experience. This tutorial will show you how to delete bookmarks on Google Chrome. First off, start Google Chrome. You will see an icon in the top right-hand corner that looks like 3 vertical bars. Click on it. Then navigate to Bookmarks and then click on Bookmark Manager. Bookmark Manager will open in the tab and you will be presented with all the bookmarks that you have created. To delete a bookmark, right-click on it. And in the menu that appears, click the Delete option. This is how to delete bookmarks on Google Chrome individually. Deleting several bookmarks at once is a very similar process. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard. Then click all the bookmarks that you want to remove. Let go of the Control key and right-click on any one of the selected bookmarks. Click Delete.